Right, got a scrap bit of wood here that I've cut to 20 centimeters long. I've got some wheels off of a toy car. They're actually fixed to the axles, I can't pull them off. So I've got some drinking straws, so I've cut a slot right up the middle. And the idea is that should slip over there like that, then I'll wrap a bit of tape around it to make it reasonably close fit, and then I'll tape it on there so that they're just within the 20 centimeters, and then at least for a test I think I'll just tape them to the bit of wood. I would hot glue them, but I'll just try taping them in a minute. I'm fairly happy I've got the axles straight, so I've hot glued them in place. We've got no guidance as to the height of the slope or the length of the slope, so we'll just see how we go through my kitchen. Right, well that's gone the full distance. Now it was supposed to go 10 meters. Can't really do 10 meters in my house because just the other side of this slope there's just a bit of a lip that you'd have to bounce over. So for a smooth run we've actually got, I think it's about 9 meters. So we're about a meter short. Well, I think that'd do 10 meters, and that's a very simple build. There was no guidance as to what we could use. The only thing he did say was it shouldn't be made electric powered. So I've just got it powered by gravity going down the slope. A block of wood with the wheels and axles off of a toy car. I think you could adjust the mass, add a bit of weight to it to see if that would make it go further, but as it is, that's doing certainly 9 meters, and I think it'd probably do 10. And you could always make the slope a bit higher if you wanted a bit more kinetic energy, potential energy, sorry. Potential energy from the height turned into kinetic energy as it runs down the slope. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.